Here we are going to show you guys the adjustment on the JA Roby doors. Sometimes they move around a little bit in shipment. So if you guys can see here on the side, there's a couple different bolts. And there are 2 rear bolts here. And those are the ones that he's going to loosen on each side of the stove. And then you push on the bottom of the door here. Boom, and you can see. And then you will get your door even, and then you will just tighten down these bolts. Okay, made the adjustment, tightening back down on the other side. So there's also hinges down here on the inside of the stove, 2 screws. That gives movement in the door as well that you can use to